Hello to everyone and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. We have another wig review. So if you're interested in seeing Bobbi Boss's Scarlett wig, then I want you to stay tuned. I'll be back with more information. The Bobbi Boss wig that you see pictured here, on the stock card, it does provide some specifications. It is made with their premium synthetic fibers, and the name of this wig is M1050 SCARLETT. She does come in an array of different colors, as you can see, and hopefully you can see some of the specialty colors here. Scarlett is a pro cut. It appears as if it is a professional salon style, is what it says here. It's made with that MediFresh cap, and you all know how I feel about the MediFresh cap. It has that advanced protection against UV pathogens and the UV rays. So this is where health and beauty comes together, is what this particular card says. Scarlett can hold heat. However, on the stock card, it doesn't mention the amount of heat that is recommended for this particular wig. So if I find it, I'll put it in the description box somewhere, and I'll be reviewing for you the color DYAT 1B Burgundy. Before I put the wig on, I do want to invite you all to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Thank you to all of those who have already, and thank you for commenting, leaving wonderful comments in the comment section box below. I look for you to leave another comment today as well, letting me know if you like this particular wig or not. Thanks so much. Here is Scarlett out of the packaging. This is the color DYAT1B Burgundy. And we're gonna flip her inside out so that you can see how the cap is made. Here's the inside construction of the cap. This particular wig has no combs in it other than the adjustable band that you see here. It is made with, and I'm looking at the stock card, the Flex Fit cap, which stretches. We're gonna put her on and see how she fits. So here we are wearing Scarlett. Let me do a 360 so that you can see all sides. Hopefully I've provided enough information, so if you are interested in purchasing this unit, look down in the description box for additional information. And until next time, take care of yourself, and we'll see you next week.